A battle between religious freedom and Obamacare plays out at the Supreme Court today. The case involves whether Hobby Lobby and other businesses can say they won't pay for some birth control drugs for religious reasons because they believe those drugs induce abortions. Mark Martin has that story.
Hobby Lobby, the Oklahoma-based arts and crafts chain, is owned by devout Christians, the Green family. They say Obamacare's mandate requiring they provide insurance coverage for all forms of birth control violates their religious rights.
We believe that Americans don't lose their religious freedom when they open a family business.
Hobby Lobby has more than 500 stores with more than 15,000 employees. The company does cover 16 types of contraception, but many people, including Hobby Lobby's owners, consider other types to be abortion-inducing drugs, like versions of the morning after pills and IUDs.
These abortion-causing drugs go against our faith, and our family is now being forced to choose between following the laws of the land that we love or maintaining the religious beliefs that have made our business successful and have supported our family and thousands of our employees and their families. We simply cannot abandon our religious beliefs to comply with this mandate.
The Obama administration and supporters of the Affordable Care Act say a woman should be able to choose the type of contraception she uses, not her employer.
Millions of women and their right to preventive care, including birth control, is trumped by a handful of CEOs who have their own personal opinions about birth control.
And politicians on both sides have been making their positions clear.
Well, in that case, I think the statute itself, as interpreted by the president, violates the First Amendment of the Constitution.
The owner has a right to his or her religious beliefs, but that doesn't mean you get to discriminate against women if women have different beliefs than what the owner has, and the woman wants to exercise her rights under the Constitution.
Some involved in the case say the Supreme Court case strikes right to the heart of American life.
I think, though, just as important as our giving is our hearts, and that we do have clean hands and a pure heart in our work, and this is what God would require of us.
Mark Martin, CBN News.